Hello, my name is Marina Maldonado and I'm going to show you Lab 1, Question 3, Probability of an event. My name is Nina and I'm going to solve number 33 from Lab 1, applying the counting principle for mutations.
My name is Erika. I'm going to solve problem number 18 from Lab 2, and I will solve an antiderivative.
So here I'm going to explain Lab 1, number 3. If A and B are independent events, and probability of A equals 55%, and probability of B equals 37%, find the probability of A and B and the probability of A or B. So if we're going to work with percentages, we need to change it to decimal. So it's the probability of A times the probability of B, since we have an AND, which gives you 20.35%. Then here, since it is an OR, we're going to add. So the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A and B, since this is a not mutually exclusive event, which gives you 71.65. And are these events mutually exclusive? And the answer is no, they are not mutually exclusive, since they don't give equal to 0.
In problem 33 from the first lab, the problem says, how many different 4-card hands can a player be dealt from a standard deck of cards? So as we know, there are 52 cards in a deck of cards, and we are going to choose 4. Since the problem doesn't specify the order in which you need to choose the cards or which ones you need to choose, we use combinations. This is the formula we're going to use, 52 being the N and the R being the 4 cards we are going to choose. When you expand the formula, you can eliminate the 48 and you will be left with 52 times 51 times 50 times 49 over the expansion of the 4 cards, which is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and it leaves you with 2,070,725 different ways in which you can dealt the 4 different card hands.
So this is problem number 18. First, as we can see, this is not a number that can be solved. First, you need to multiply this one times this one and this times this. So first, I'm going to multiply 8x squared times 5 out of 2x. It's going to be 40x squared over 2x. And then you add, because it's the same sign here, 8 times 3 is 24x cubed. And then it's still the x. Now we're going to simplify this. It's 20x plus 24x cubed dx. And now we're going to start to solve the problem by antiderivating. So first, it's going to be 20x squared over 2 plus 24x4 out of 4 plus c. Why are we adding one more x to each of them and dividing and adding a c? It's because of the formula. And finally, the answer is going to be 10x squared plus 6x fourth plus c. And this is the answer.
Project, we learned that all the topics we have seen throughout the partial are related and that you need to know how each one works to know about the next one. I learned that math can be really fun, and I learned the differences between and the word.
In my problem, I learned that even when you go somewhere, you can always go back. So when you derivate, you can also anti-derivate. And I also had a lot of fun in the team with my friends.